Hi, here is Frankie. Are you a cat lover, a plant enthusiast, maybe both? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of cats and houseplants. We'll uncover surprising facts, explore benefits, and learn how to create a harmonious environment for you and your feline friend. Stay tuned for tips on keeping your cat safe and your plants alive. Cats are curious creatures, often drawn to things they shouldn't be, especially those vibrant, swaying leaves. Many common houseplants pose serious health risks to our feline companions. One of the most toxic is the lily. From the elegant Easter lily to the common peace lily, every part of this plant is poisonous to cats. Even a tiny nibble can lead to severe kidney problems. Another culprit is the sago palm, which contains sikicin, a toxin that can cause liver failure in cats. The Dieffenbachia, or dumb cane, can lead to painful mouth irritation, drooling, and difficulty swallowing. Other plants to watch out for include the ZZ plant, pothos, philodendron, and Monstera deliciosa. Prevention is key. Keep these plants out of your cat's reach, or opt for cat-friendly alternatives. Stay tuned for our next chapter where we'll explore the incredible benefits of having both cats and plants in your home. Who would have thought that cats and plants could be the perfect recipe for a happier, healthier you? Studies show interacting with plants can lower stress levels, improve mood, and boost creativity. Petting our feline friends reduces blood pressure and releases feel-good endorphins. Both plants and cats contribute to better air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, absorbing harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. Cats can help control dust mites, which can trigger allergies. Having cats and plants around creates a sense of peace and tranquility, transforming your house into a haven of well-being. Don't worry, fellow plant lovers, you don't have to turn your home into a plant-free zone to keep your cat safe. Plenty of beautiful and safe houseplants can coexist peacefully with your feline friend. First on the list is the ever-popular spider plant. Not only is it non-toxic to cats, but its cascading foliage provides the perfect opportunity for playful batting practice. Next up, we have the elegant areca palm, also known as the butterfly palm. This graceful plant adds a touch of the tropics to your home while being completely harmless to your furry companion. For a touch of whimsy, consider the peperomia family. Other safe options include the calathea, the prayer-like maranta, and the air-purifying Boston fern. Now let's move on to some practical tips on preventing your feline friend from turning your beloved plants into a salad bar. We adore our feline companions, but their curiosity can sometimes lead them astray, especially when it comes to our precious plants. But fear not, fellow plant parents. With a few tricks up our sleeves, we can deter even the most persistent nibblers. Cats dislike unpleasant sensations. Try placing citrus peels around your plants. The pungent smell, while pleasant to us, is a major turnoff for cats. Alternatively, create a barrier with aluminum foil. Cats hate the feeling of foil on their paws and will likely steer clear. Another effective method is to provide your cat with enticing alternatives. Invest in cat grass, a safe and healthy option that satisfies their urge to nibble. Sometimes it's all about strategic placement. Place your plants in high locations, out of your cat's reach, or in rooms where they spend less time. By combining these methods and observing your cat's behavior, you can create a harmonious environment where both your plants and your feline friend can thrive. Speaking of harmony, let's explore some creative ideas for a cat-friendly garden. Imagine a lush indoor garden where your feline friend can safely explore, play, and even enjoy a nibble or two. Creating a cat-friendly garden is easier than you might think. Start by selecting a variety of cat-safe plants in different shapes, sizes, and textures. Think catnip, cat thyme, or even rosemary. Next, provide different levels for climbing and perching. Cat trees, shelves, or even sturdy plant stands can transform your garden into a feline jungle. Don't forget about enrichment. Hide toys or treats within the foliage to stimulate your cat's natural hunting instincts. Create a designated digging area using a shallow tray filled with pebbles or large stones. This will satisfy your cat's urge to dig without jeopardizing your plants. Now, let's delve into a less pleasant but crucial topic: recognizing the signs of plant poisoning in cats. As much as we try to create a safe haven for our feline friends, accidents can happen. Being able to recognize the signs of plant poisoning can mean the difference between life and death for your cat. Keep a watchful eye out for any unusual behavior such as vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, or lethargy. Excessive drooling, pawing at the mouth, or difficulty swallowing can indicate oral irritation, a common symptom of ingesting certain plants. Changes in urination, such as blood in the urine, increased or decreased frequency, or straining, can be a sign of kidney problems, especially if your cat has ingested lilies. Other symptoms to watch for include tremors, seizures, difficulty breathing, or even collapse. If you suspect your cat has ingested a toxic plant, time is of the essence. Contact your veterinarian or the ASPCA Animal Poison Control Center immediately. Remember, swift action can save your furry friend's life. Cat grass is like a salad bar and a toy all rolled into one for your feline friend. It's a healthy and safe way to satisfy their natural urge to nibble on greens, aid in digestion, and even prevent hairballs. The best part? It's incredibly easy to grow at home. All you need are a few simple supplies: a shallow tray or pot, some potting mix, and of course, cat grass seeds. Start by filling your container with potting mix, moisten it well, and sprinkle the seeds evenly on top. Place the container in a bright location, out of direct sunlight, and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Within a week or two, you'll have a lush patch of cat grass ready for your feline to enjoy. To keep your cat grass thriving, trim it regularly and replant it every few months. So there you have it. We've uncovered surprising facts, busted myths, and explored the wonderful world of cats and houseplants. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow cat and plant lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to Frankie's Feline Facts for more pawsome content. Until next time, happy gardening and may your cat's days be filled with sunshine and catnip.